Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today I am going to give you guys a throwback spring video, and I'm going to be kind of doing this pretty much for a little while. I have some family things that's going on right now, and I just don't have the time to make any new videos, and I am so sorry about that, but I definitely would have a video up for you guys weekly. So please enjoy the music and enjoy the video, and hope that you guys are inspired. Okay guys, so if you're new here, this is my hutch. I thrifted it about maybe 5 or 6 years ago, and I absolutely love it. I just repainted it last year, and in my move, I'll link the video so you can catch up if you're new here, but it got scratched up a little bit, so I'm not going to do any painting in this video today, but I'm definitely going to be repainting it. But this is the hutch, and y'all know I am all about neutrals, and I decorate my home in neutral colors all the time, all year round, and then each season I just add pops of color here and there. So because we're still kind of transitioning from winter into spring, I don't want to bring any colors just yet, because I kind of want to start bringing in colors once it's spring, getting into summertime. So I'm going to be decorating with lots of whites and greens, you know, blacks, some brass tones and things like that, and just kind of keeping it, you know, nice and neutral for this hutch. So I'm going to give you guys 3 different designs, and at the end of the video you're going to see which design I chose for transitioning into spring. So make sure you watch the video from beginning to end.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking
When we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. This road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. Seek me out. A significant life, just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt.
Okay, you guys, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you gained some kind of inspiration from it to start, maybe trickling some spring into your home. I used all the stuff that I had in my home. I shot my home and I didn't purchase anything for this particular project. So I hope that you guys gain some inspiration, that you can shop your home and use the things that you already have in your space. You don't have to go out and buy a bunch of things. Just because the trends are out there don't mean that you have to spend all the money, because let's face it, nobody is decorating or redecorating their home every single day, purchasing one thing and then, have it up for a week and then purchase something new to replace it. I know that I'm not doing that, and I know that you guys are probably not doing that either. But I love the way that it turned out. And if you guys thought that I was going to choose the third one, you are absolutely right. I love the way that it turned out. Y'all know I am not a minimalist. I am a maximalist. And for me, more is more. So I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I love the floral arrangements. I love all the wood tones and all the warmth and the moodiness that it brings to my living space. And I can't wait to really start diving in to spring and start decorating our space. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video today, and thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your busy day to spend a few minutes with me. It means the world. So I will see you guys next time, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.